So for this job, the fuck was that? What is up, YouTube? Kantstandlam Garage back with another video. So the other day, I got a flat tire on the back wheel. Probably a nail or some shit. I don't know what happened. I patched it before, like last year, I think, and it started to leak again. So I took it into work today and took the tire off, cleaned up everything, put a bunch of sealant and glue where the patch was originally at, and just put some bead sealer all around it. It should be okay now, but I won't know until I drive it. So in the meantime, I was borrowing John's wheels, which are for sale. Check my Instagram, but that looks pretty damn good. Let me zoom in on that bitch. Yeah, I like white on this car, but part of me still likes the black just because it's low key, low maintenance. But let's go ahead and grab the other wheel in the daily and bring it out here. Before we do anything, you want to be sure that you're safe and not jump into a task or a project without being properly suited to do the job. So for this job, the fuck was that? But for this job, you're gonna need some hand protection, because brake dust and dirt and brake dust is something I don't want to scrub off my fingernails and things like that. So a pair of gloves would be fine, and some safety goggles, because you just look a lot cooler wearing them. So let's go grab the wheel real quick. One thing I want to address about the textured black powder coat that I have on these wheels, they're cool, I guess, but the only thing I'm having a big problem with is the surface doesn't do well with the sticky weights when I balance them out. Future reference, if you're going to do textured powder coat on anything that is wheel related, refrain from doing it. It's just not worth it. For all I know, these weights are going to fall off after I drive the car, so who knows. But when I put the wheel on, I'm going to let it sit for probably overnight and drive it tomorrow. If it falls off, it falls off. I'll balance it again. But I think it'll be okay for now. Let's get the other wheel off. Looking a lot better already. So, haven't really driven the car in about a week or two. I don't know. Haven't really just been driving her. So, I think what I'm going to do is pull her out of the garage, and I'm going to sweep the garage and then put her back. So let's do that now. Okay, so car's out of the garage, sun's going down, that's why it looks so damn dark, and I have my camera on auto mode, which I should bring up a little bit. A little more, can't see me, right? Neighbors just caught me recording, so it's very awkward. My previous neighbors knew I did videos, so this is just strange to me. Garage is filthy. Might not look like it, but I gotta sweep I haven't swept since the first day I moved in. There's dirt here. I want to make more videos, but Florida's really hot, especially where I live. So I was thinking of making a GoFundMe. I have almost 2,000 subscribers. So if everyone sent me or want to help me and donate 25 cents a person, I can probably buy a nice central AC unit that I'll probably put on top of the refrigerator or through that window, and it'll be really cool in here and I can do more videos. I also wanted to do lighting in the garage, which I want to make another segment for, because my channel is Kantstandlam Garage. Even though some of you guys asked, I changed it to my real name and now I can't change it back because Google's being stupid and it's some policy bullcrap. So it's gonna be my name for a couple months until I can change it back. But if you guys are interested in donating 25 cents out of your own personal income to help me financially to fund a AC unit from my garage, that would be very, very, very appreciative, and I'm always appreciative of that. Let me know. Maybe I'll make one, and if I get nothing in 30 days, then I'll just shut it down and just let you guys know how much I got saved up. But anyway, gonna take some photos of the car for IG purposes, and I'm gonna sweep the garage and then put her back in. So let's go. So, just spent the past half hour sweeping and organizing the garage a bit, so I'm going to bring the car back in now and store her away.